Hey. Well, it's the show. You can't miss the show.
We almost did. Nobody woke us up till 9.
Oh my.
They're like, we're leaving. The show's about to start.
You didn't hear vehicles starting up all around here or anything? Huh?
Yeah, I did really, like
you're a good sleeper.
7 o'clock this morning, a van moved behind us, but nobody near us is really showing their vans, and people snuck out. And,
huh? Well then,
like, what good friends.
you made it. You made it. It didn't start till 10 anyways.
Really? They shipped it over for the show? Well, okay.
Shout out to Bart for getting you all cleaned up in here, huh?
My detailer?
Yeah, your detailer.
This van used to belong to Baja Charlie. Sold it. Just like that, with the paint and everything.
Hey, good morning.
Morning. Yeah, already
What on here? Yeah.
Step all over that rock and grab a sticker if you want. No, right there. You can step all over that. I'm stepping on it.
Some people have been really
I'm already. Not yet.
Yeah. Snap.
Oh.
Happens. We got a cooler full.
Yeah, yeah.
Got a cooler full. Sorry, Seth.
Oh yeah? What's that? It's like a...
I took a picture of a black velvet painting I bought in Tijuana 50 years ago.
There you go.
Go for it.
Absolutely.
Looks good. Oh yeah. That's fresh. That's cool. Yeah, I got that too. That's cool. How's it going?
Good, you?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good. Big house, man.
I haven't seen the interior yet. It looks amazing. Just finished like 3 days. Wow, it looks amazing. Yeah, so like Andy BB helped us replace all the time.
How we doing? Head to the bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Right. 79? Regular table.
We just did this at last. I love that you play it. And then this one I just love it. Thank you. We had so much fun doing it. And then, like, we made that on Canva photograph that we had. And, like, sent it.
Yeah, I think so. Trade with a lot of homes, right? Drilling holes in there for the summer.
You gotta get it out, man.
Gotta get it out.
I remember the first time I took Diana out, 20 miles. Oh, shit, 20 miles. And then the next thing you know, it's 200 miles. You know, to Texas.
Smells like incense in this one. Twin Cities.
That's dope. That is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I worked.
That's not a...
Looks pretty. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's so cool.
Hey, Terry.
Right.
Like I said, if I get a chance, I'll ask one of the guys at Crosslight to come over and just do a double check with me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
What's up, man?
What's up? Nice setup here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I turned the music down. The speakers for the lights go.
Yeah. A lot of, you feel raindrops.
Yeah.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. You?
Good.
started laughing, I felt kinda sick. I knew I better think of something pretty quick. So I just reached out and kicked old green teeth right in the knee.
See you again. I see you again.
Yeah, right.
Keep seeing you.
We're in the same area, working.
I was like, it is just like
I didn't realize you guys like did all this. Was this in the last year or what?
The panels are within the
32341 373-2341 Marthaler Honda at 2114 East Main Street, Albert Lea, Minnesota.
Louis and the Streetlighters, country boy, is all I'll ever be. The American is in Kids Tour.
Friday, August 15th, St. Croix Casino, Turtle Lake.
I don't, if it's driven, I don't, little things like that, I will overall, but it's driven. Now, if I knew it came in a trailer, I'd be harsh. That's where the, well, it came in a trailer. Well, yeah, we know we're harsh.
Right. But it's everything outside of just the graphic on everything has always been black and gold.
The one I had, the original one on mine too, was painted the same
Right.
color as the van, you know, so
Yeah.
it's it worked too, you know, because it didn't match. But I've always wanted one of these two.
Yeah. I got one too. And all of them.
Oop.
How you doing, brother?
Good, you?
Good, man.
Good. It's in the bay.
He was pulled in and we were looking at
There it is. Hi.
Call me for sure. We'll get it done. All right.
Oop.
Oop. Hey, there he is.
JG Lightning.
Yes, sir.
in the
JG
house.
Lightning, fantastic television right there. Glenn's around here somewhere, but we gotta get him in there too. Working hard to try and keep everybody happy and get all the vans on there. Show how cool it is. So
Yeah, we're
come
fighting
out
the
and
weather.
join. Get a van and come out and join us.
For sure. We're fighting the weather here today. We're gonna get what? How many vans you doing this time?
Oh,
done over a
I've
dozen.
already did 16 already so far,
16
and
vans.
I got about 15 people waiting. So
Wow. All right.
So we're going to get them up. Stay tuned to JJ, and also stay tuned to Fantastic Television.
Thanks, baby.